Screenmetrics, LED screen system monitoring and maintenance. The Screenmetrics system provides 24/7 LED screen monitoring. This includes real-time fault alerts and early identification analytics to ensure your campaigns are always viewed in the best light. Screenmetrics monitors your entire screen network, whether nationwide or global. Real-time fault alerts not only keep you informed of screen health, but enable our network of highly trained engineers to quickly triage your screen, providing a remote fix or site attendance where needed. Screenmetrics can also eliminate screen downtime, thanks to preemptive maintenance warnings which reduce the need for emergency fixes. Screenmetrics provides live camera views for visual screen inspection and peace of mind. Monitoring your screen network health has never been easier, thanks to quick view analytics and live reporting. With the Screenmetrics app, engineers can commission and maintain screens right from their smartphones, improving efficiency and reducing call-out times. Contact us now for a demonstration of Screenmetrics and find out how it can enhance your LED screen network whilst reducing maintenance and minimising commissioning costs.